Today, follow along and test your typography with my video where we're going to take a look at real life situations where typography is used in graphic design. As designers, it's important to have a website to show off our portfolio of work. Bookmark offers the most straightforward and quickest way to generate an awesome website without even having to write down a single line of code, and all completed in a matter of minutes. Check out the link in the description below to learn more about Bookmark and design your website today. So grab a pen and paper, or simply keep count on your phone, because I'm going to show you 6 different designs where 1 or 2 things are wrong with the typography on a design. So for each of the 6 design situations, you're going to have 20 seconds to view the design, and then try to use your knowledge of typography to see what needs to be changed and improved. Now each of the 6 examples will have a set amount of points given to the right answer. So let's get cracking. So here is a magazine article, and like I mentioned, you do have 20 seconds, but you can of course pause the video too. So on this example, we're going to look at the left hand side page of the double page spread. And there's something that really needs to be changed to make this article better in terms of typography. Now what would you change as a designer? Okay, so for the first example, the magazine article needs some use of hierarchy. Hierarchy gives importance to specific areas of typography, and this can be accomplished with size, as well as the colour and also type thickness. Now if you got this one correct, give yourself 20 points. The second example for you today is a business card, and there is something about the design in regards to typography that can really help the design a whole lot. Can you work out what it is? Now it's kind of similar to the last example, but for the original design, the 2 main areas of text use the exact same font. So to make things more visually appealing, you can font pair, and this can be done by using the same font family, but one thick and then one thin set of text. Or you can use different font families to provide contrast. Now if you got this one correct, give yourself another 20 points. For the third typography example, we have a poster design right here. And to be honest, there are quite a few things wrong with it from a typographic standpoint. However, there is one major flaw in the design in terms of typography. So the original poster simply used too many font families and typefaces. The second design actually only uses 2 in total. And also I did tidy up the alignment too. But if you guessed that too many fonts were being used, give yourself 15 points. So the next example is a quick logo design. This one might be tricky for some of you out there, but I'm not sure. Just take a close look at the design and see what can be improved in terms of typography. So the original logo design has poor kerning, and that is in the upper logo type. Some letters were posted too close or too far away to each other, and this renders the design unprofessional and not visually appealing. Now if you got this one correct, give yourself 20 points. Now we've got 2 more examples left, but in this one we have a flyer design of sorts. But can you tell me the 2 different things very wrong with the design in terms of typography? And each correct answer will get you 15 points apiece. So the first thing very wrong here is the alignment. If you look at the original design, many typographic elements are not aligned properly, which creates confusion and an ugly design. But also the second point is that much of the text is not legible in the original design. Now firstly because the yellow strip down the left is too bright, and in the bottom right corner the white text is over a bright blue. So there's a total of 30 points to be won here. Okay, and so lastly today we have this brochure design, and we're concentrating on the left hand side. But if you can see what's wrong with the typography, you're going to get yourself 30 points. The answer is there are things known as windows in graphic design, and windows are where a sentence finishes on one or two words, and then the typography moves down to the next paragraph, which basically leaves a huge gap. This is unappealing visually, and it breaks the viewer's reading rhythm when viewing the design as a whole. So there was the last 30 points, with a total of 135 points in the video. Now if you scored 0 to 20, then you really need to focus your attention on typography education, online and both in books too. It's not a bad thing because we all need to start somewhere learning about typography. If you got 25 to 40, that's still a bit of a low score, but it does show that you have some understanding of typography. Now 45 to 80 is a pretty decent score that dictates you have a fairly good understanding of typography in graphic design. And I would suggest anything above 85 is a pretty high score, so congratulations. But if you want to see more videos on typography and you want to improve your skills as a graphic designer, let me know and also subscribe to my channel here at Satori Graphics. I can make more videos like this if you want in the future, so also just let me know in the comment section below. Like and share my content on social media, and until next time, design your future today. Peace.